Hello everyone. Welcome back to मेरो English साथी. Today we are going to learn some very useful daily use English sentences that you can use in your everyday life. These sentences will help you speak English fluently and confidently. Let's get started. Wake up. It's already morning. उठ बिहान भइसकेको छ. Wake up. It's already morning. उठ बिहान भइसकेको छ. I am still feeling sleepy. मलाई अझै निन्द्रा लागिरहेको छ. I am still feeling sleepy. मलाई अझै निन्द्रा लागिरहेको छ. Brush your teeth properly. दाँतमा राम्ररी माझ. Brush your teeth properly. दाँत राम्ररी माझ. Take a shower. नुहाऊ. Take a shower. नुहाऊ. I need a cup of tea. मलाई एक कप चिया चाहियो. I need a cup of tea. मलाई एक कप चिया चाहियो. Let's have breakfast together. सँगै बिहानको खाजा खाऊँ. Let's have breakfast together. सँगै बिहानको खाजा खाऊँ. I am getting late for school or work. म विद्यालय अथवा कामका लागि ढिलो हुँदैछु. I am getting late for school or work. म विद्यालय अथवा कामको लागि ढिलो हुँदैछु. Please clean your room. कृपया आफ्नो कोठा सफा गर. Please clean your room. कृपया आफ्नो कोठा सफा गर. Turn off the light. बत्ती निभाऊ. Turn off the light. बत्ती निभाऊ. Close the door. ढोका बन्द गर. Close the door. ढोका बन्द गर. Don't make noise. हल्ला नगर. Don't make noise. हल्ला नगर. Dinner is ready. बेलुकीको खाना तयार छ. Dinner is ready. बेलुकीको खाना तयार छ. Let's watch a movie tonight. आज राति फिल्म हेरौँ. Let's watch a movie tonight. आज राति फिल्म हेरौँ. I am feeling tired. मलाई थकाइ लागेको छ. What's on today's schedule? आजको तालिका के छ? What's on today's schedule? आजको तालिका के छ? Don't talk in class. कक्षामा कुरा नगर. Don't talk in class. कक्षामा कुरा नगर. Let's take a short break. सानो ब्रेक लियौँ. Let's take a short break. सानो ब्रेक लियौँ. I have a lot of work to do. गर्नुपर्ने धेरै काम छ. I have a lot of work to do. गर्नुपर्ने काम धेरै छ. Can you help me please? कृपया मलाई सहयोग गर्न सक्छौ? Can you help me please? कृपया मलाई सहयोग गर्न सक्छौ? That's a great idea. त्यो राम्रो विचार हो. That's a great idea. त्यो राम्रो विचार हो. Where are you going? तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Where are you going? तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? I am just going for a walk. म केवल हिँड्न गइरहेको छु. I am just going for a walk. म केवल हिँड्न गइरहेको छु. How much does it cost? यसको मूल्य कति हो? How much does it cost? यसको मूल्य कति हो? It's too expensive. यो धेरै महँगो छ. It's too expensive. यो धेरै महँगो छ. I am just looking. Thank you. म हेर्दैछु. धन्यवाद. I am just looking. Thank you. म हेर्दैछु. धन्यवाद. Let's go shopping. किनमेल गर्न जाऊँ. Let's go shopping. किनमेल गर्न जाऊँ. I will call you later. म पछि फोन गर्छु. I will call you later. म पछि फोन गर्छु. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. चिन्ता नगर. सबै ठीक हुन्छ. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. चिन्ता नगर. सबै ठीक हुन्छ. I am sorry for being late. ढिलो भएकोमा म माफी चाहन्छु. I am sorry for being late. ढिलो भएकोमा म माफी चाहन्छु. I am not sure. म पक्का छैन. I am not sure. म पक्का छैन. That's amazing. त्यो अद्भुत छ. That's amazing. त्यो अद्भुत छ. Please speak slowly. कृपया बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Please speak slowly. कृपया बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Can you repeat that please? कृपया फेरि भन्नुहोस्. Can you repeat that please? कृपया फेरि भन्नुहोस्. See you soon. छिट्टै भेटौँला. See you soon. छिट्टै भेटौँला. That's all for today's lesson, friends. Practice these sentences every day and your English will get better and better. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Mero English Sathi for more English learning videos. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you.